Hello, I saw your question here. It's moving on to 7.4 about proportions. Humane Society claims that less than 69% of households in a certain country own a pet. A random sample of 600 households in that country, 390 say they own a pet. At alpha equal 0.1, is there enough evidence to support the society's claim? Okay, so I guess work what we see here. Identify the claim, the null and the hypothesis. I guess the claim is right here at the beginning. You identified it correctly. The claim is less than 69% of the households in the country owns a pet. Less than 69% of the households in the country owns a pet. So you did that correctly. So that it's less than. So that's going to make it the alternative hypothesis. And so the alternative is p is less than 0.69. And then the null hypothesis is always the complement, the opposite of less than is greater than. So it looks like you worked that part out pretty good. Use technology to find the p-value. Identify the standardized test statistic. Okay, so you could use the formulas they give you, and then you want the p-value. I just don't use StatCrunch here. So we're dealing with proportions here. So we're going to go stats, and we're going to go to proportions. 7.4 is about proportions, and you want to standardize test statistics. And so we're dealing with one sample with a summary. And so the number of successes, I guess, was 390 out of 600. So 390 out of 600. We're doing a hypothesis test. P is 0.69, so that goes here, and it's left-tailed, so we need to make sure we click here, and then that'll give us these two numbers here. Click compute, and the test statistic is minus 2.12 if we round to two places, and p-value here 0.0171. I guess that wants you round to three places. So that, looks like you're doing very well on the problem. And I guess, let's see, there is this last part here. Decide whether to reject or fail to reject. And so you'd have to compare the p-value to alpha. So the p-value is 0.017. What was alpha up here? Alpha is 0.1. So the p-value is greater than alpha, and so and we are doing let's see, we're doing a left tail test. It said reject and all. Let's see. I don't know if that part's correct. If the p-value is less than alpha, then we reject it. Here the p-value is greater than alpha, so I was thinking we'd probably fail to reject a null hypothesis. So I'm not sure this part is correct. Hope this helps.